So we'll continue with the second set of sums to check whether the following are a quadratic equation. I'll take this sum. Look here. Sum number 1 is x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2. So you must try to bring it in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Remember, when a is not there, when a is should not be equal to 0. If a is 0 means you won't get a quadratic. So this will do it. Now this you take the LCM. The LCM is x square. This will go there. So you get x power 4 plus 1 is equal to this, you put 2 by 1. You cross multiply. You get x power 4 plus 1 is equal to 2x square. Bring this side. You get x power 4. X power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is power 4. So it is not a quadratic. It is called biquadratic. Though this x power 4, we can write like this: x square the whole square minus 2x square plus 1 equal to 0. If you put the x square equal to p, you get p square minus 2p plus 1. This is a quadratic in p. This is a quadratic in p. So, though we are converted, strictly speaking, this x power 4 minus x square plus 1 is called a biquadratic, power 4. If you want, you can convert it in some other form like this. You can make it a quadratic in a different letter and solve it, and all. Afterwards we'll see it. But strictly speaking, this is not a quadratic. This is called a biquadratic. I hope you understood. Next sum we'll do it. The second sum says x square minus 2x minus root x minus 5. So the problem arises with root x. Root x, I told you, is x power of. So keeping x power of, you can't find it, you have to square. But you can't square the whole thing. So this is a question. Now what you do is, you keep this number here. These two number here, take the other two that side. So this both will go that side. So it will become plus root x. Now to remove the root, square both sides. Square both. Now look here, x square minus 2x the whole square is equal to root x plus 5 the whole square. When expressions like minus plus comes, don't square like this separately, it will go wrong. It's actually x square minus 2x complete bracket the whole square equal to root x plus 5 the whole square. Now when you square this, you get x power 4. This is called a minus b the whole square. You know the formula, a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Where a is called x square, you get x power 4. Or I write the formula one more step. A square means you get like this: x square the whole square plus 2x the whole square minus 2 into x square into 2x. When you square this, you get root x the whole square plus 5 square is 25 plus 2 into 5 into root x. So you get x power 4 plus 4x square minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4x cube equal to root x the whole square is x plus 25 plus 10 root x. Again the root x is proceeding. Already x power 4 has come. So this goes beyond it. This is not a quadratic. This is not a quadratic equation. So again I will explain the sum. The sum x square is there, x but root x is there. So what you do is keep these two numbers and take that other two side and square. While squaring, you must square the whole thing and use the formula a minus b the whole square. You get three terms. Don't square separately like a square plus b square alone. When you do that, you get three terms. So when you square it, you get this term starting with x power 4. Not only that, when you square the other side, you get on root x. So naturally, this is not a quadratic equation. There's no x squared. Next sum we'll try. Now next sum we'll try 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 2 is equal to 6 bracket x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now I told you first you must try to bring it in the standard form. Standard form means try to expand this. So when you expand you get totally 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So 2x into 3x is nothing but 6x square. 2x into 2 is nothing but 4x. 1 into 3x is 3x plus 2 ones are 2. So like this you get 4 terms when you expand this. Here first you keep the 6 outside and expand this. X into x is x square minus 2x minus x and minus minus is plus 2. So again you get 6x square plus 7x, 4x plus 3x you can add like terms plus 2. Here you get 6 into x square minus 2x minus x is minus 3x plus 2. So you get 6x square plus 7x plus 2 equal to 6 into x square is 6x square minus 18x plus 12. Now 6x square will get cancelled because same terms. In other words, the 6x square will go that side and will become minus 6x square and get cancelled. 6x squared is this side and you get another 6x squared. When you take that side, it will become minus 6x squared and get cancelled. So the x squared term vanishes. Only the x term remains. So what remains is 7x plus 2 equal to minus 18x plus 12. X squared has vanished. So this is not of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Because a has become what? 0. There is no x squared term. No x squared term means a is equal to 0. Therefore, this is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. Again, I repeat. So, this sum is nothing but they are given a format of multiplication. We have to multiply patiently. When you multiply, what happens? The x squared terms gets cancelled. Goes off, only x term remains. So this is not of the form ax squared plus c. Here a becomes 0. Therefore, this is not a quadratic equation. So this is called standard form. Standard form. All sums you must try to bring it in the standard form. 2 more sums you got it. You check whether it's a quadratic. Next sum is x plus 2 the whole cube equal to x cube minus 4. Now we must check whether this is a quadratic. I write the formula for a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So instead of a, we got your x. This is called your a and this is called your b. So in expand you get like this. X cube plus 2 cube. This is called a cube. This is called b cube. Plus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square. 3a square b 3ab square. This is a cube plus b cube is equal to x cube minus 4. So again look here. This is used of the formula a plus b the whole cube. It's a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. If you want, you can write formulas in a separate page or a last page for reference. So this is a plus b the whole cube. So instead of a and b, there is x and 2. Now we expand it. After expanding, you remove the brackets now. X the whole cube is nothing but x cube. 2 cube is nothing but 8. Look here, 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. So 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, not 2 into 3. So 2 cube is 8, not equal to 6. So 2 cube is 8. And when you continue, you get 3 2s are 6. You get 6x square. Next you get 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. Into x equal to x cube minus 4. Look here, numbers you must do right first. 2 square is 4, 4 3 is 12. Always you must write signs first, number next, and variables or alphabet third. Now look here, this x cube is plus, this x cube is plus. Both will get cancelled. Actually, this will go to the other side and become minus x cube and cancel, but straight away also you can cancel. So when you cancel, what will happen? The remaining numbers you can write. First you write 6x square, next you write 12x, next you write 8, and bring the 4 this side. Plus 4 equal to 0. 6x square plus 12x plus 12 equal to 0. Generally, this is a quadratic, but it's possible if something is common, you divide by 6. So that's a good habit before bringing it to standard form. If you divide by 6, you get x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. When something is common, you try to divide thing. Learn this first exercise so that when you do sums, it will be much more easier. Now this is a quadratic. This is called standard form. You brought to the standard. Fifth sum is x into x plus 1 plus 8x equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Now again you must try to bring it to the standard form. So we multiply it, x into x is x square plus x plus 8x. Here you can bring it one by one, but use the formula a plus b into a minus b. X plus 2 into x minus 2 is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. We know the formula a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So this you can write as x the whole square minus, is called a square minus b square. So again, x square plus x square plus 9x. So when the like terms, you can add it. So it will become x square plus 9x equal to x square minus 4. Now this is also plus x square. We'll take that side, it will become minus x square. It will cancel. So you get 9x plus 4 equal to 0. This is not quadratic because a equal to 0 in the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So when you bring it to the standard form, the coefficient of x square becomes 0. Therefore, this is not a quadratic. Not a quadratic, it's called linear equation. Last, another 5 sums we'll do. That will make it thorough about this quadratic equation.